This video I will explain how Google Pay is connected to your bank and NPCI. First, we will see what is Google Pay. Google Pay is a payment app on your phone. It does not store your money. Google Pay only helps your bank talk to another bank. What is a bank in this process? Your bank is where your money is actually kept. For example, SBI, HDFC Bank, and ICICI Bank. Google Pay connects to your bank, but your money never leaves the bank. What is NPCI? National Payments Corporation of India is called NPCI. NPCI is an Indian organization which is created by the government and the banks. What NPCI does? Runs India's digital payment systems, makes sure money moves safely and correctly, controls and manages UPI. NPCI acts like a central traffic controller for payments. Now we will see what is UPI. UPI means Unified Payments Interface. UPI is the system that moves money between banks instantly. Google Pay uses UPI to send money. Now we will see the simple relationship. Google Pay is the app you see and use. UPI is the payment system. NPCI is the manager of UPI. Your bank where your money is stored. Google Pay cannot work without UPI. UPI cannot work without NPCI. Money cannot move without banks. Now we will see how Google Pay connects to your bank. Step 1 is bank account linking. When you open Google Pay, you select your bank, your mobile number is verified, your bank account gets linked. This works only if your mobile phone is registered with the bank. Step 2 is UPI ID is created. Google Pay creates a UPI ID for you. Here you can see the example of UPI ID. This UPI ID represents your bank account, not Google Pay. Step 3 is UPI PIN is set. You create a UPI PIN. This PIN is known only to you. PIN is checked by your bank. PIN is required for every payment. Google Pay never knows your PIN. Now we will see what happens when you send money. You open Google Pay, you enter the amount, you enter your UPI PIN. Google Pay sends the request to UPI. NPCI checks and routes the request. Your bank sends the money and the receiver's bank receives the money. This all happens in few seconds. Now we will see the important safety point. Google Pay cannot take money by itself. Every payment needs your UPI PIN. NPCI monitors all UPI transactions. Banks approve and complete the transfer. Your money is always under bank control. Now we will see why NPCI is very important. Without NPCI, Google Pay would not work. UPI would not exist. Instant bank transfers would not be possible. NPCI ensures trust, speed, and security. Common beginners doubt. Does Google Pay hold my money? No. Your money stays in your bank account. Can Google Pay see my account balance? Only the balance, not your PIN or bank password. Now we will see the summary. Google Pay just an app. Your bank holds your money. UPI moves the money. NPCI controls and manages UPI. UPI PIN protects every transaction. Together they make fast, safe and easy digital payments.